Oymyakon is a small village located in the Sakha Republic of Russia. It is known for being one of the coldest inhabited places on Earth. Here's some informational knowledge about Oymyakon. Climate and temperature. Oymyakon has a subarctic climate with extremely cold winters and short, cool summers. It holds the distinction of having recorded the lowest temperatures ever observed in any permanently inhabited location on Earth. The average temperature in January, the coldest month, is around minus 50 degrees Celsius, minus 58 degrees Fahrenheit. The lowest recorded temperature in Oymyakon is minus 67.7 degrees Celsius, minus 89.9 degrees Fahrenheit. Population. Oymyakon is a remote village with a small population. As of 2021, it had an estimated population of around 500 people. The main occupation of the residents is reindeer herding, hunting, and fishing. History. The area around Oymyakon has been inhabited by indigenous peoples, such as the Yakuts, for centuries. The village itself was established in the early 1920s during the Soviet era. Oymyakon gained worldwide recognition for its extreme cold temperatures. Challenges of living in Oymyakon. The extreme climate poses numerous challenges for the residents of Oymyakon. The harsh winters require special preparation, including wearing multiple layers of clothing and ensuring adequate heating. Cars and other machinery need to be kept running continuously, as they may not start again if turned off. Additionally, water supply pipes are often insulated and buried deep underground to prevent freezing. Tourism. Oymyakon has become a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors who are interested in experiencing extreme cold temperatures and the unique lifestyle of the region. Tourists can visit the local museum, which provides insights into the history and culture of the area, as well as explore the stunning natural landscapes. Natural attractions. The surrounding region offers breathtaking natural beauty. Visitors can explore the nearby Indigirka River, which freezes over during winter, creating an otherworldly landscape. The area is also known for its picturesque valleys, mountains, and forests, providing opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking and wildlife spotting. Yakut horses and reindeer herding. Reindeer herding plays a significant role in the traditional lifestyle of the indigenous Yakut people in Oymyakon. The Yakut horses, adapted to the extreme cold, are used for transportation and as a source of meat and milk. Unique phenomena. Oymyakon experiences unique natural phenomena due to its extreme temperatures. For example, people's breath can freeze instantly and hang in the air like a cloud of ice crystals. Additionally, it is possible to witness the mesmerizing sight of diamond dust, which occurs when ice particles in the air refract sunlight and create sparkling reflections. While Oymyakon presents significant challenges for its residents, it also offers a fascinating glimpse into human adaptation to extreme climates and the resilience of the human spirit.